Welcome back, folks. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. So today, there's nothing much to do. I'm about to sleep, and I would show you some stuffs that I usually eat before sleeping. I would not recommend you to eat that too because it's quite unhealthy. Not so unhealthy. You can eat it quite occasionally, but not regularly. So, without further ado, let's show you some stuffs. So this is the first thing I usually eat before sleep is Haldiram, what to say as Pancharatana. It consists of, I will read the ingredients for you all. Okay. Okay, so it consists of potato, 41% edible vegetable oil, which is also known as palm oil, raisins, 8.0%, cashew nuts, 7%, sugar powder, almonds, rice flakes, sesame seeds, edible common salt, curry leaves, black pepper powder, cumin, and acidic butter. So I bought these two packets of this. One packet consists of 10 rupees, and if you convert it in dollar, I don't know, maybe it's around 5 or 10 cents, I guess. So this is another drink which is known as Appy. Tasty, quite good. It is not a fizzy drink, it is normal. It's normal acidic drink, I guess. I don't know what the heck this is, but I will read the ingredients for you also. It consists of water, sugar, apple juice, concentrate, acidity regulators, stabilizer, and antioxidants. Contains fermented natural color and added flavor adding substances. Okay, so these are the two stuffs I usually eat and drink before sleeping. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like this video, and if you don't like this video, I don't care. So, and also haters, fuck these stuffs in your ass, motherfuckers. And good night. Thank you so much for watching.